this is your 2021 reading. So, firstly, we're going to start with a little bit of energetic check for you so that it sort of acts as a foundation for our reading. And I pray to my spirit guides to assist me in the process of delivering your reading. And I hope, pray, and wish that 2021 brings you lot of love, lot of happiness, fulfillment, and just the best blessings. You guys are one of my favorites in the zodiac. All right. Nothing is yet set in stone. Okay. So this year 2021, it's basically it'll work out the way you want it to. So the decision is basically in your hand. What kind of a year do you want to make 2021? See, understand, these are very special years, where nothing is set in stone, where it's very mutable. Like you can make it the way you want, you can mold it the way you want. So be very careful about your choices this year, Pisces. That's something that's really coming up for you. Yeah. A new start is coming. So something new is going to begin for you. Something new is starting that's making you really happy. And work through your fears. For a couple of you, instinctually, I'm getting a new relationship. A new relationship that will fulfill you is what I see. Yeah? Work through your fears. You have to, really work through them this year. You honestly have nothing to worry about because nothing is set in stone, right? So you can mold things your own way. So anytime you have the ability to shape a year, the fear automatically has to go out of the window. Keep that in mind, please. Yeah? Let's look into your tarot to see what messages are coming forth for you. I just get a good sense for you here. A new start is coming, looks good. I just was very getting romantically a good year. 7 of Cups. You're going to have a lot of choices this year. Lot of choices showing up. So make sure you're making the right one. Yeah, nothing is set in stone, so you get to decide. Just make sure not to take too much time when it comes to making the decision, because sometimes what happens is, life presents us with a beautiful opportunity, but we spend so much time deciding on whether to go for it or not that we lose it. So anytime opportunities present themselves to you, choices present themselves to you, make sure you just make one that is right for you. A new start is coming. Again with the Ace of Wands, yes, a new start is coming. So I sense a newness to your energy. You're going to be feeling more passionate. You're going to be feeling more creative. Like the drive to succeed is very strong this year. A lot of new ideas are now going to be coming up for you. I also see you guys starting a lot of new projects. For a couple of you, this can also be a new job, a new hobby, something that will really bring forth all the creative juices. That's coming up for you. You're starting again. That's really nice. Justice. You're going to be very balanced this year. The balance is definitely there. So this year is going to be fair for you. Okay? The sense of fairness. Everything being set in balance. That is what is coming forth. But for a couple of you, you may also weigh the pros and cons of situations before proceeding. Yeah, but things are going to be working in your favor. For a couple of you, I also see you signing a couple of contracts this year. Okay, this can be new job related documents. This can be you owning a new home for a couple of you, and hence the documentation part is coming here. Either way, if you're dealing with documentation, make sure you are reading into the fine details. If you are on the right side, then things actually can go in your favor. But whatever has been wronged is going to be set right this year. Wheel of Fortune. Fortune is smiling on you this year. Fortune is really smiling. Especially on your career front, I see this year to be really good. Progression, forward progression, progress in career, promotions, raises, all of that is coming forth. Anything that was imbalanced previously is now set in balance. Fortune is smiling on you. Fortune is really smiling on you. Okay, let's see. One thing you need to be careful about is to not worry too much. Okay, especially when it comes to financial worries. Don't worry too much, because the 5 of Pentacles is a card that anytime you feel like you're alone or you're helpless. See, look at this card. The lady and this little child is with a lantern seeking help. But they're just walking in the right direction, because if they just look next to them, there is this beautiful church that is there. It is warm, it's beautiful, you have a beautiful smoke, there is food. So they just have to walk in and they'll get the support that they need. So if you feel like this year you lack support in certain areas of your life, just look around. Support is there. Remember to ask for it. Yeah, that's important. For a couple of you, I get the sense that you're going to be very busy this year. And you may feel like, you have to do it all yourself, and hence you lack a little bit of that. You may feel like you wish there was somebody else to do this for you, but that help is there. Think about who you can ask. Yeah. Okay, look at this 10 of Cups. It's a beautiful year. It's a very promising year, especially relationship wise. I see you guys having a very good year. But this is also connections with family becoming very strong. Spending good time, happiness. This can be an engagement, getting into a deeper commitment with somebody. This can be a wedding as well, birth of a child. Something that you were hoping and praying for, that is happening. One thing I need to warn you about, be careful about your expenses, because you could actually be spending on things that you don't really need but you want. It's not about your needs, it's about your wants this year. So be mindful about your spending. See, money is there, that's not a problem, but the spending can be a little bit of a problem. Again, birth of a child is also very much possible. It's going to be a good year, fulfilling year. A year when things are going to be just right for you. Yeah, stop worrying unnecessarily. This is about giving yourself anxiety. This is about being your own worst enemy. See, one thing, Pisces, I know one thing about you. You guys are softies at heart and you worry a lot. You worry about, especially when everything is going right, you are the people who will worry, what if things go wrong? It is because you have a soft heart. Especially when things are going so right, you're like, oh my god, I just wish things continue this way, and that gives you anxiety. Don't do that. Things are just fine. See, it's a year you can shape it the way you want it to be. So don't spoil it by anxiety. I'll just give you one more. Ace of Swords. Lot of new ideas. You're gaining clarity this year is what's coming forth for you. Work through your fears. Okay? Work through your fears. Classic combination. Work through your fears this year. You have nothing to fear about. Everything that is happening for you this year, you've earned it. Because previously imbalanced things are now gaining balance. That's what I see for you. A new life. This is a new life. Yeah? You're starting afresh is what I see. So for a couple of you, I also see a lot of newness coming into your life. A new home, a shift of home. Getting a new vehicle for a couple of you, that is also possible. Yeah, but you can just shape this year the way you want it. Yang, you're going to be in a very action-packed mode this year. You're going to accomplish a lot is also what I see, especially with the 10 of Cups coming through and also with the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, whatever you put your hands into can potentially turn to gold this year. That's what I see. Very action, higher power. Spiritually, you're going to be really connected. Spiritually, this year is going to be a good one for you. Your belief in the higher power will increase. But for a couple of you, I also get a change in spiritual practices, a change in spiritual beliefs. That is also coming through. Yeah? Let's look into what else is happening. New path, the path. I see you guys walking a new path. New pathways open for you. Previously, something that wasn't there is going to show up in your life. Yeah, it's like a new life entirely. New life entirely. So don't be afraid to walk that new path this year. That is what I see for you guys. Action, again, it is going to be a very, very action-packed year. One in which, if previously you were all within, indoors, you're going to go all outdoors. Again, travel is very much possible. Spending time with family, very much possible. Spending time with a loved one, very much possible. But just be patient. Be patient with yourself, is what I sense. Because, you guys are like a little bit anxious than usual. You're getting everything that you want. Yeah, see, what I sense is, from February onwards, like we have already crossed almost half of February by now, but post February things are rapidly going to move for you. Yeah, but just have patience, a little bit of patience. See, especially when the newness comes into our life, that adaptation takes a while, but you will get used to it. You just need to work through your fears. That's what's important. It's looking good for you this year. It's a mutable moon, so you get to decide which way you want to live. And I hope you make the right decision, and I hope and pray you just put this aside, yeah, and you work through your fears. Just going to leave it. I'm just going to take this. Focus on the new life. Focus on the brilliance and focus on the happiness. Just make sure when opportunities present itself, make that choice. Say yes. Yeah, I'll leave you with that. I pray 2021 finds you in a lot of happy situations. It brings you a lot of joy, fulfillment, love, and abundance. I'll leave you with that. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.